What's up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today we got a custom job in at the Ryker Hospital. We're gonna be redoing this whole thing. We're gonna add speakers, a custom LED light job, and a plate relocation. We're gonna do it to this bike. Let's see how this install goes. I don't know if you can see. Let me get into the light. Okay, we have these LED Super rock lights, and we're gonna add these to the Can Am Ryker. Already spread them all out, and we're gonna start sticking them in different places to light up the bike. We just got to see what's a good fit so you don't see it. So this is just gonna make it glow without seeing any light strips. Already started putting the first set up, so it's 8 of them all together, and I'll show you how I run the wires and tuck everything under. So these are the rock lights, and I'm putting them in inconspicuous places around the bike so you won't see them, but you will get the glow effect in certain places. Comes with its own on and off switch, which is pretty cool, so you can hook it up directly to the battery and shut it off. Dope. So we're battery's out, so I had to charge it anyway. Gonna finish putting them in and putting them under the covers, under the plastic, so it'll glow down real nice. So yeah, I'm gonna hide all of that and then light it up for you guys. Trick is wiring. So anytime you have wiring, which is good about these lights, is you can disconnect them. And when you disconnect them, you can plug them in and make shorter lines so you don't have too much spaghetti wires laying around. Real quick, this is old school. Real quick, this is old school. We're gonna take out some headlights, change them up. The person has the original factory, so you pop off the clip, pop off this dust cover. Expose the light. In there you're gonna have the plastic harness that clips out. Take the dust cover out. Okay, I dropped it. Anyway, once you clip that white clamp, take out your old headlight, put in your new light, put the plastic clamp back in, dust cover, and then the plug, and that's how you get new headlights in your Can Am Ryker. Real quick. Alright, so we just installed a Curiakin Bluetooth soundbar to this Can Am Ryker right here. Look, check it out.
Humans have evolved
Never mind, you gotta wait till 6 hours away.
new skills. Fighting thugs isn't one of them.
That's why just leave it on low. So which is a real simple job. You gotta take off the panels. You're gonna run the main wire down through the headlight, down to the battery, connected to the battery. You'll have 3 wires, which is an auxiliary, positive and negative. It also comes with a place to charge your phone and extra audio jacks to get it popping. So that's it. We're going to tighten everything up. It hooks to the handlebars, which is great. Gives you different size clamps, so you could actually make it higher or lower. We're going to just line it up, keep it out the way, put it up higher than the gauge, and that's it. As you can see, we're busy here in the Ryker Hospital, but check it out. This just came in. It just got finished being wrapped by Sticky. Check out the wrap on this. So what happened was the shop got so busy that I forgot to record the rest of the work I did for the custom lights on that Ryker. So just to explain it, when you see the video play after this message, the yellow lights were all separate lights. You'll see the link below of where to purchase those. So those all ran separately to the auxiliary. The rock lights were all placed in inconspicuous areas, so you don't see the actual pods. You just see the light glowing. It just got so busy I forgot to record, and a lot of the information got, you know, what can I say? Anyway, I messed up, but hopefully check it out, see how it looks. Customer very happy. And any tips and tricks, or if you don't want to know anything about what I did or how I did it, just leave in the comment section below and watch what it looks like. And remember, everybody, ride safe. Please ride safe.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.